Good morning, students. Today in maths we will be learning the number. Yes, what comes after 17? It's 18. Okay, so before writing the number in the notebook, we will be playing a game. All of you are ready for the game? Okay, so let's play. Now see here. All of you are able to see a girl. Okay, and her name is Pinky. Okay, so Pinky want to take 18 steps. How many steps? 18. So let's help her. Okay, so let's count starting from 1. See here, it's 1, 2, here comes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, and 1, 8, 18. Okay, so today in the notebook we are going to write number 1, 8, 18. Okay, so let's write. Before starting, we have to write the date. So what's the date today? Yesterday it was 12. So what comes after 12? It's 13th. Okay, so we will be writing the date 1, 3, dot 8 dot 2020. Okay, so the number is 18. It's 1, 8. Now we'll write the number name. E I G H T double E N 18. Okay, and this will be a CW, that is classwork. CW. Now let's write T. T stands for tens. O stands for ones. Tens, ones, tens and ones. Now below T, that is below tens, we will write number 1. Okay, so 1, and below O, that is ones, we will write number 8. Okay, see here. Okay, 1, 8, 18. It should not come below the line blue. It should not come below that. Okay, so let's write 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, 8 is little bit difficult, so you should write it slowly. 8. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, so the same way you have to complete this first line, the second and the third. Okay, now moving to the left page, it will be our homework, that is HW. Let's write HW. HW. Okay, so students, today we will be drawing a caterpillar. Okay, circles. With the help of the circles, we will draw a caterpillar. So use the pencil. Let's start. See here, it will be its face. Okay, we will not count the circle, as it will be its face. We will draw 2 eyes, a smiley. Okay, now let's draw the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0, 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18. One more we have to draw? No. Okay. So total 18 circles we have to draw. Okay. Now let's write the number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to count. 8, 9, 1 0, 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, and finally 1 8 18. So total how many circles we have drawn? 18. Now let's color it. Okay. Okay, see here we have colored. Okay, till 17 we have colored. Let's color the number 18. Slowly you have to color it. Okay, so finally we are done with it. So this one we have done in the notebook. Okay, now let's do in the workbook. So before writing the number 18, we have to complete the page number. In the workbook, the page number 18 we will complete first. Okay, so it's the shapes. Already we have learned the shapes, is it? So with the help of the pencil, we will be tracing it. Okay, dots are being given, so we will trace it. Okay, trace the dotted lines with different colors to make this smiling shapes. Okay, so trace the dotted lines with different colors. Okay, with the help of the colors, we have to join this shape. Okay, we have to join the dots. So let's start. So starting with the circle, let's do it. Okay, okay, so now let's join the dot with red crayon. Okay, slowly we have to do it. Dheere dheere. Okay, see here we are joining the dot. We are joining the dots to make the circle. Yes, done. Now with green. Okay, with the green crayon we will join the dots of square. Okay, slowly. Standing line, a sleeping line. Okay, one more sleeping line, and finally a standing line. Okay, now triangle. Okay, with other color we'll do it. Let's see. Blue color. Okay. Now the slanting line, a sleeping line, and one more slanting line. Okay. So see here, our triangle has been made. Now with the help of yellow color. Okay, rectangle, a standing line, then a sleeping line, and a standing line. So in this way you have to complete the page number 18. Now let's move to the page number 19. Okay, yeah. Okay, students, with the help of the pencil you have to join this dot. You have to trace this. Okay, and after tracing it, you have to color. Okay, now let's move to the number 18. All of you open page number 52. Now here, see, let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18. Okay, so total how many cups are there? 18. Now, here also we have to write the date. So, what's the date, students? Yes, it's 13th of August. So, let's write 1330.8.2020. Okay. Now, starting from the green dot, standing line, that is 1. Now let's write 8. You have to trace this. Okay, so 1, 8, 18. Now here the dots are not been given, so we will write it slowly, starting from the green dot. 1, and this is 8. 1, 8, 18. One more time. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, the same way you have to complete the page number 52. Okay, students, so today we have learned the number 18. So you have to complete it in your notebook as well as in the workbook. Okay, students, take care. Bye.